Good morning, traders. TG Watkins here. Let's see, it's December 8th. I hope everybody's having a good morning so far. And the internals are pretty bullish today, but that makes a lot of sense, mostly because we've had a few pretty strong down days. Monday, Tuesday for sure. And then Wednesday, yesterday, we pretty much just got price, holding out here. Well, where was it holding? At the hourly 200. So it makes sense that we're at least bouncing in through here. And then what we could also see is that we had price pretty extended. It was outside of that hourly third ATR. And it just kind of looked like we should be getting a bounce. Now we are getting that bounce. Now the question is, do we come up here into resistance and then do we head lower? It would seem to make sense to me that we could be seeing price come down to the daily 50. And then I got to kind of leave my options open at that point because we could go, sure, to the 50. We can go below it. I'm just looking for that area, something around the daily 50. But then we have to assess to see if that is going to be a buyable area or not. Is it going to be into support or not? And what I want to show you is, yes, the last few times, here's the 50, here's the 50, here's the 50. It has all broken down. So, but it's done it to where we've also been able to get another short. So if you trade to the 50, you can see that there is a bounce that you can short. And you trade to the 50, and there's a bounce that you could short. And so if we trade to the 50, you could probably take off your position and then see if there's a bounce. And if that bounce ends up being shortable, then yes, we could go down. But we just have to always keep in mind that what if this area actually ends up holding and we start moving back up? So just make sure you keep your head on a swivel. Part of the reason why I'm saying that is I do see some areas out there that seem to be holding up. And so we need to be cautious that there could be some sort of surprise move out there. Jerome Powell, basically the big move we got here was Jerome Powell talking about how interest rates they're going to be slowing the rate hike of interest rates. And so the market, shot up on that. But then it's been fading off ever since then. And so there could be a thing to where the news is getting baked in, but the news isn't going to necessarily react right now. Like clearly we saw the reaction that day. But what if that's like the head fake move? And so what we try to do is we lure people in, which I tried doing some trades there. And then we actually move down like this and then come into support. And then that's where people start buying based on the interest rate slowing down, news and all that kind of stuff. And so just be careful that if the market really does like the news about slowing down of interest rates, and that does actually become bullish, then we need to be prepared that it could be a little contradictory, that it might come down here and then actually start going. So the response or the reaction to the news could be delayed because, well, the market was pretty much topped out up here and we need a reset in order to then go bullish again. So just be careful about that. I've laid out the bullish and bearish scenario in through here. And I think this is an area where we need to keep our head on a swivel. All right, everyone. Thanks again. Catch you at the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.